Can you believe that with just 5 simple moves every day, your body can feel decades younger without needing any equipment or complicated exercises? These moves help you squat deeper, move more freely, and reduce aches and pains in your shoulders, back, and hips from sitting too much. Today, I'm going to share 5 basic mobility exercises that are easy to do and will help you improve your posture, reduce pain, and reconnect with your body. Think of this as an investment in your long-term health, helping you get back your freedom in every movement. Ready? Let's get started. First, we're going to start with downward dog. It's a basic yoga pose, but super important for everyone, no matter your skill level. You'll see this pose not just in yoga, but also with athletes, gym goers, and anyone who wants to make their joints and bones healthier. Downward dog is a great full-body stretch. It helps wake up your big muscles, especially in your back, shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. When you do it right, you'll feel a stretch from head to toe, which makes your body feel more awake and flexible. To start, get into a high plank position. Put your hands firmly under your shoulders, spreading your fingers wide for a strong base. Keep your body straight. Don't let your back sag or your butt stick up too high. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. Take a deep breath in, then breathe out slowly and push your hips up high, shifting your weight back towards your feet. Your body will make an upside-down V shape, with your hips being the highest point. Let your head hang loose between your arms, look towards your feet, or gently close your eyes to feel the stretch better. If your hamstrings feel really tight, don't worry. Focus on keeping your back straight. You can bend your knees a little to take pressure off your lower back. The important thing is to feel the stretch along your spine, not to force your heels to the floor. Pay attention to the feeling of your hands pressing into the mat, sending that energy through your shoulders, down your back, and all the way to your heels. Your body is like a string being gently pulled, which helps release tension in your shoulders and back. To make it even better, you can try pedaling your feet in place. Bend one knee, pushing the other heel down to the floor, then switch sides. This helps loosen your hamstrings and calves and gets the blood flowing to your legs. Breathe steadily. Each time you breathe out, try to push your hips a little higher. Feel your chest open up and your back stretch longer. Breathe in deep. Breathe out slow to help your body relax and make the stretch more effective. Don't worry too much about getting your heels to touch the floor. The most important thing is to keep your back straight, your shoulders open, and your neck relaxed. If you need to, lift your heels a little to ease the pressure on your hamstrings. Downward dog not only helps open your shoulders and strengthen your arms, but it also takes pressure off your spine and helps blood flow better to your brain. It's a great pose to relieve stress after a long day of sitting or intense exercise. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Focus on your breathing and feel every tiny movement in your body. Don't hold your breath. Let your breath guide each stretch. If you feel pain or too much tension, make the pose less deep. You don't have to be perfect. The most important thing is to listen to your body and adjust to what you can do. Once you get used to it, you can try to straighten your legs more. Hold the pose longer, or add other moves to challenge yourself. Be patient, and you'll see progress every day. Downward dog is the first step to waking up your posterior chain. That's all the muscles from your heels, calves, hamstrings, glutes, back, and shoulders. It's a strong base for doing harder poses like deep squats, planks, or exercises that make your back stronger. Keep practicing every day, and you'll notice your body becoming more flexible, agile, and healthier. Change comes from small but steady efforts. Don't rush. Think of mobility as a long journey where you learn to listen to and appreciate every movement of your body. Enjoy every moment on the mat, because each time you do downward dog, you're taking a step closer to balance and overall health. Next up, we have the horse stance. This is a basic but super effective exercise. It helps open up your hips, makes your thighs and butt stronger, and improves how stable your whole lower body is. Horse stance isn't just for martial arts, it's also used a lot in fitness, yoga, and rehab because it makes your lower body stronger and more flexible. To start, stand with your feet wider than your shoulders. The space between your feet should be a bit more than shoulder width. Point your toes straight forward or a little bit out, whatever feels comfy for you. Getting your foot placement right helps you balance better and keeps your knees safe from getting hurt. slowly lower your hips down, like you're sitting in an invisible chair behind you. Keep your back straight, don't hunch or lean forward. Keep your chest open and your shoulders relaxed so your upper body doesn't get stiff. Pay attention to that gentle stretch in your thighs and butt as you lower yourself. Your knees should point outwards, always in line with your toes, so they don't fall inwards. Use your butt muscles to actively push your knees out. This not only protects your knee joints but also works your butt muscles better. If your knees start to fall in, fix your posture right away. Once you're in the right position, you'll really feel the stretch in your inner thighs, and your thigh and butt muscles will be working hard. Keep your upper body straight and gently tighten your tummy to protect your spine and make your whole body more stable. Don't forget to check your back and tummy posture while you hold the pose. For your hands, you can put them on your thighs for support, clasp them in front of your chest like you're praying, or stretch your arms out to the sides to make it harder and work on your balance. Choose the hand position that fits your goals and how your body feels. At first, just try to hold this pose for about 15-20 seconds. Once you get used to it, slowly increase the time to 30 seconds, 45 seconds, then a minute or even longer. Holding the pose for longer will help your muscles build endurance and get better at handling weight. Once you're good at it, you can try gently swaying your hips side to side or making small hip circles in this pose. These little movements will help stretch you out more, improve your control and flexibility in your hips, and make the exercise more fun. Throughout the exercise, make sure to breathe steadily, taking deep, slow breaths to get enough oxygen to your muscles. Feeling each breath helps you relax, and also notice the changes in your hips and the muscles that are working. Horse stance is a great exercise to get your hip flexibility back. This is super important for all lower body movements, from walking and running to more complex sports moves. This pose also helps prevent injuries to your hips and lower back. Keep doing the horse stance regularly every day and you'll really feel the difference. A stronger, more flexible lower body and much better balance and body control. This is a big step to help you go further on your journey to overall health and fitness. Our third exercise is the resting squat. This is a very natural pose that people used to do all the time, but we've kind of forgotten about it in our modern lives. It's super good for your hips, knees, and ankles. It helps keep your whole lower body flexible and strong. Squatting isn't just an exercise, it's a healthy habit our ancestors did every day. To start, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, point your toes straight forward or slightly out, whatever feels comfy for your hips. Slowly, lower yourself down as far as you can, trying to get your butt close to your heels. Keep your back straight and your chest open. Try to keep your whole foot flat on the floor, don't lift your heels. If you find it hard to keep your heels down, no worries. Just put something small like a book or a block under your heels to help, or gently hold onto a chair or table for balance. This will help you get used to the pose without putting too much pressure on your joints. Once you're steady in the squat, just relax your whole body. Let gravity pull you down naturally. Feel the release in your lower back, hips, and knees. Don't tense up, let your muscles rest. Relax your shoulders and neck, and breathe steadily. You can use your elbows to gently push your knees out. This helps open up your hip joints, making the pose more stable and comfy. This move also makes your hip area more flexible and takes pressure off your lower back. Try shifting your weight gently from side to side, or rocking a little bit forward and backward. This not only makes your hip and ankle joints more flexible, but also helps you feel your body moving better in this pose. Don't forget to breathe deeply and evenly. When you breathe in, feel your belly and hips expand. When you breathe out, feel your ankles, knees, and hips relax. Breathing correctly will help you relax more and improve your blood flow. The squat pose is also great for your digestion. When you squat, your insides get a gentle massage, which helps food move through your body better. This can reduce constipation and other gut problems. This is also why many cultures still do this regularly in their daily lives. Try to squat for a few minutes each day. You can do it while reading a book, looking at your phone, or taking a break from work. Making this pose a regular part of your day will help you stay flexible and prevent many bone and joint problems. At first, you might feel a bit uncomfortable, stiff, or your legs might feel tingly. That's totally normal, especially if your body isn't used to this pose. Just keep practicing, slowly increasing your time each day, and your body will get used to it and feel more comfortable. Once you can do a deep squat again, you'll really feel the good changes. Your body will be more flexible, your joints will move smoothly, and your overall health will get better. This is truly a precious gift you can give yourself. Don't wait. Try it today to feel the difference squatting can make for your health and how well you live. Let's move to our upper body with the crab pose. It opens your shoulders and chest and makes your triceps and glutes stronger. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, feet flat, and hands behind you, fingers pointing backward or to the sides. Breathe in, then breathe out. Press your hands and feet into the floor and lift your hips up to make a reverse tabletop. Squeeze your butt muscles tight, push your chest up, and feel your shoulders and chest stretching. Keep your neck straight or gently tilt your head back if it feels good. Hold for a few seconds at the top, then lower your hips, and do this 10-15 times. Each time you lift, you open your shoulders, and each time you lower, you take a short rest. If it's hard, just lift your hips a little bit. The important thing is to feel your body working. When you get stronger, try straightening your legs into a reverse plank to make it more challenging. The crab pose helps balance your body after sitting for many hours, opens up the front of your body, and strengthens the back of your body. Last but not least is lunge mobility. This helps loosen up your hip flexors, which are often the cause of back pain and stiff hips from sitting too much. Start by kneeling down, then step 1 foot forward so both your knees make a 90-degree angle. If you need to, put a towel under your back knee. Squeeze the buttock of your back leg to keep your hips steady. Gently push your hips forward. You should feel a stretch in the front of your back hip. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. To make it even better, raise the arm on the same side as your back leg up towards the sky, and lean your body to the opposite side. After that, add small movements. Gently push your hips forward and back, like a little pulse. Do this on both sides. If one side feels tighter, spend a little more time on that side. Lunge mobility helps you move better, makes your hips more stable, and increases how far you can move when you walk, run, or climb stairs. Don't skip this exercise. Your back and hips will thank you. Do this regularly, and you'll really notice a big difference. So, now you know 5 basic mobility exercises that will help your body be more flexible, reduce pain, and feel younger every day. We don't lose mobility because we get old, but because we stop moving. So, let's keep this habit going, just like brushing your teeth every day. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day, and you'll find that bending down, squatting, and reaching up will feel much more natural. Your body was made to move, so give it back the freedom it deserves. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which exercise you'll start with today. Thanks for watching, move better, feel stronger, and see you next time.